Do you want to smell like a sport star? Now, Imper has got you covered with a smell if you want to smell like a sports star. It's called Downtown Thunder, and it's got a great bottle and beautiful, beautiful juice, I believe, inside. Got a nice spray to it. Oh, wow. So, you know when you walk into a fragrance shop and you get that unrecognizable smell that you walk in and you're serious and you want it and you want to know what it is? This is Downtown Thunder. That's exactly the smell that you want. Now this has very nice mint, lemon, and ginger notes to it, which makes it a beautiful, awesome fragrance. Projection, longevity on this, easy, 5 to 6 hours. And for that, I will give it a great 7 out of 10. Now this Thunder is also then a dupe for Armani Code Sport by Giorgio Armani, and it's just at a massive fraction of the price. You get 100 mils of this, and you can smell like a superstar. Guys, is Imper Thunder or Downtown Thunder a make or break fragrance? This is a decent make fragrance, and you'll enjoy it so much. Easy to wear, especially to work, definitely gym or to any sport event. You will smell like the hero of the day. Guys, please follow me for more great dupe reviews.